So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel MS Technology. So as you know, we manufacture all type of testing equipments required for plastic and polymer products such as tensile testing machine, hydrostatic pressure tester, flow variation tester and also ultraviolet weathering test chamber. So these kind of equipments we manufacture. Along with that, we have our own NABL and BIS accredited testing laboratory where we provide the testing services for these polymer products. So if you have any requirement regarding the testing equipment or the testing of products, you can contact us on the given mentioned email ID and contact number. So today in this video, we are going to see how to check the tensile strength of PP yarn. So this is the single yarn that I have taken out from the PP rope, and let's see how to check its tensile strength. So this is our universal tensile tester with the brand name MS Technology. The capacity of this load cell is 500 kgs. And here you can see this is this special jaw which has made only for the this type of product, that is for the yarn. So let's see how to tie this yarn on this jaw. Here you can see there is a small hole. So you have to tie this jaw through this hole and take one round around it, and from second end take another round in clockwise direction, and again tie this remaining part with the help of this hole. Just take this thread through this hole and secure it properly with 2 or 3 knots. So here you can see I have tied the yarn properly between these 2 jaws, and now let's see setting on controller. Here you have to press set button. Here we have to set speed. Here I have set it at 100 mm. Again, if you press set button, then you have to press tear button. It will go on next parameter. So here we have to select unit. Here you can change it to Newton, kg or grams. So I am here calculating it in kg. Next there is a type of test method, that is tensile or compression. From here you can change it. So here we are at tensile, and this setting will be keep it as it is. Now let's start the test. So here you can see the jaw has started moving down. And here you can see the extension and load is visible on screen. Here we can this controller gives us the breaking load, and for tensile strength we have to do the calculations that I will show you further. So this is our tensile model. We also customize machine as per customer's requirement regarding the frame and the load capacity, or the product which required different jaw. So that also we can customize. Also, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay connected with me. I regularly update all the testing videos as per Indian standard. for all polymer and plastic products. So here you can see the strength of this yarn is quite good. It has elongated much. Let's see the elongation. So it is around 180 mm and load is at 0.7 kg. So let's see at what point it will get break. This jaw properly holds the sample, so that sample does not slip away. Now it is about to break. 0.8 kg. Extension is around 260. We also provide testing services, as I said earlier, for a range of product. So if you have any testing requirement, kindly contact us. Here you can see the readings. The load. Okay. Now our sample has got break. Here you can see it has got break. Now here to check the result, click on result key. Here you can see the maximum load is 1 kg and maximum extension, that is the elongation, is 392.65 mm. So this is how you can calculate the breaking load and the maximum elongation of PP yarn. Now we'll see the calculation of tensile strength of this with the help of these readings. So let's see the calculation of tensile strength. Here first you have to calculate the diameter of the yarn. So the diameter is 0.38 mm. The radius, which is the half of the dia, so it is 0.19 mm. So I have converted this mm to centimeter, so it comes 0.019 centimeter. So first we have to calculate the area, which equals to pi r square. So this is the value of pi, that is 3.14, multiplied by the radius, which is 0.019, and its square. So here it comes the area, which is 0.0013 centimeter square. Now let's see the tensile strength. The formula of tensile strength is load divided by cross section area. So here the load is 1 kg and area is 0.00113. So it gives us the tensile strength 884 kg per cm square, that is 884 per centimeter square. So if you find out this video useful, subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay connected with me. Thank you.